Hi guys, in this video we will introduce the volume and surface area of sapphire. So the surface area which is 4 pi r squared. I just added up here. So we will talk about both. So for formula of sapphires, which is the volume equal 4 over 3 pi r cubed, the surface area which is 4 pi r squared. So the radius r, which is right here, and for this one example, find the volume and surface area of a sapphire with a radius 7 meters. So the volume, which is V equal 4 over 3 pi r equals 7, so 7 cubed. So for this one, we could leave as a pi term, so we put in calculator, which is 7 cubed times 4, so that is 1372 over 3 pi and meter cubed. Okay, so this is for volume, and then we will find the surface area. So the surface area, which is that's A equal 4 pi r squared. That will equal 4 times pi times 7 squared. So the answer will be 196 pi meter squared. Okay, so we got to, in the sapphire here, we need to find both surface area and volume. Okay, let's see another example. So for this one, this is the diameter. This is not the radius. So in circle, you know the diameter equal half 2 radius. So for this one is 18 equal 2 times r. We divide by 2 on both sides, so r will equal 9. Okay, that is the radius. After we find the radius, we can find the surface area and volume. So for volume, that will be equal 4 over 3 pi times 9 cubed. So simplify it, we will have the answer, which is 972 pi meter cube. Okay, meter cube. And then for the surface area, which is 4 pi r squared, that's equal 4 times pi times 9 squared. That's equal 324 pi meter squared. Okay, that is the answer. That is the answer. So thank you for listening. Have a good day.